A Lincoln County judge accused of texting her bailiff hundreds of times during the first murder trial she presided over responds to allegations against her in court document.
You'll remember Judge Tracy Soderstrom made national headlines after cameras caught her alleged bad behavior on the bench during a 2-year-old's murder trial. News 4's Caitlin Ogle read over her response.
And Caitlin, no surprise, she's not too happy the security footage was leaked.
Well, Judge Soderstrom says it was the district attorney who originally leaked the security footage of her texting. She says he obtained potential evidence without a warrant, court order, or subpoena.
Those security cameras are there for security, not to be spying on judges.
In an August interview, Judge Tracy Soderstrom's attorney saying footage of the Lincoln County judge allegedly texting during trial should not have been released. Judge Soderstrom is accused of texting her bailiff hundreds of times during her first murder trial of a 2-year-old beaten to death in 2018. Now, Oklahoma Supreme Court Justice John Kane wants Soderstrom taken off the bench. Court documents say she had already made up her mind that the boyfriend of the child's mother was innocent. In the messages, the 50-year-old allegedly mocking witnesses, jurors, and prosecutors. After the trial, security footage of her texting was leaked. She asked for the camera to be moved away, then put back, but asked for privacy boxes to be put up instead.
They're able to zoom in on her handwriting on the bench.
That's not possible.
County commissioners took those down. Soderstrom now saying she didn't know about the video until the Lincoln County sheriff told her he, quote, provided the security camera footage to District Attorney Adam Panter, who then leaked the footage to reporter Nolan Clay of the Oklahoman, who broke the story.
The issue is in Lincoln County, the sheriff's office, who has control over that data, provided it to someone who provided it to the press.
She alleges Panter asked for the footage under the guise of an investigation without a warrant, court order, or subpoena. The sheriff saying Panter was a person of trust. Judge Soderstrom also admitting to posting on Facebook about her first domestic docket, saying, quote, finally a subject I completely understand and can't possibly screw up.
And in a statement, District Attorney Adam Panter says the Council on Judicial Complaints allowed Judge Soderstrom to explain herself. He says, quote, rather than provide valid reasons behind her conduct, she lied to the council and refused any accountability. Panter goes on to say Judge Soderstrom is an embarrassment to our judicial system and to the people of the state of Oklahoma. Now, I reached out to the judge's attorney, but she was unavailable.